Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check analytics of any Instagram post. It is mandatory to watch this video till the end so that you can get correct information about everything. First of all, open your Instagram and click on your profile at the right bottom. After clicking on the profile, here you have to select any one post for which you want to see analytics. Now click on the post for which you want to see analytics. After that, click on the top right 3 dots of the post. After clicking on the 3 dots, click on View Analytics at the bottom. Now here you can see View in Insights, click on it. So here you can see how many views your post has received, how many people have liked and commented. In this way you can see the analytics of your post. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next interesting video.